Yun o, kamusta mga port? Anong balita sa inyo? So for today's video, panibagong laruan na naman ng ating i-unbox at bibigyan ng review. At ito na nga siya mga port. Ayan. So i-unbox natin at bibigyan ng review ang figure na to. Ito yung Ichiban Kuji Dragon Ball Daima 2 Prize C figure mga port. Si Vegeta sa kanyang Super Saiyan 2 at Super Saiyan 3 form in the Mini Masterlize E-moving line mga aport. If you're into collectible figure, Ichiban Kuji, lalo na kung may collection ka ni Vegeta, this one is definitely worth checking out. Kaya naman wag na natin patagalin to. Let's get started. Alright, as usual, first up, let's take a look at the box. Right off the bat, you can see the bold Dragon Ball Daima branding, which already makes this feel like a premium item, even though it's technically a prize figure. On the front, we got a nice display of Vegeta in both forms, Super Saiyan 2 and Super Saiyan 3, and it even highlights that this figure includes interchangeable parts, which is a huge plus. The design is clean with the typical Ichiban Kuji aesthetic. You also got the Bandai and Bandai Namco logos, so you know it's officially licensed. Overall, really solid presentation. Definitely something collectors might want to keep. So this figure is in BIB condition or back in box. Shout out tayo. Shout out muna tayo mga aport kay Boss Onichang. Ang figure na to ay nanggaling kay Boss Onichang sa Al Ain mga aport. Kung ikaw ay taga UAE, kahit saan dito sa UAE, pwede mong bisitahin ang kanyang Facebook page mga aport. Napakaraming figures, hindi lang Dragon Ball, ang pwede mong makita sa kanyang Facebook page mga aport. At kung ikaw ay isang toy collector at may hinahanap kang figure, message mo lang siya sa kanyang Facebook mga aport, sigurado. Madaling kausap yan si Bossing. Alright, let's open this up. Oh, so yan, may clamshell pa siya mga aport. So actually, galing to ng MISB. Yan o, inilabas lang siya ni Boss Oni for display. Tapos binalik na uli. Yan. Gusto natin mga aport. And nakabalik pa yung tape niya. Yan o. So yan ang main body. Si Vegeta sa kanyang Super Saiyan 2 form. Stig. Maliit pero ang lakas ng dating mga aport. At yung kanyang spare heads. Boom. Yan ang kanyang Super Saiyan 3. Wow, grabe. Ang talim ng buhok mga aport. Ang laki. So, dito rin yung kanyang support. Ayan. I believe this is the hair support. And the foot support mga aport. Ayan o. First impression. This looks really clean. The sculpt is excellent for a prize figure mga aport. You got that classic Vegeta stance. Arms slightly bent. Fist clenched. Ready for action. The face sculpt is on point. The expression captures Vegeta's serious, prideful attitude perfectly. The paint job is also solid. Clean lines on the armor. Nice shading on the suit. And the hair has that bright golden finish you'd expect from Super Saiyan 2. No major paint defects on my copy, which is always a win. Now, transform naman natin siya. Tignan natin siya sa kanyang Super Saiyan 3 look. Usually, it's very simple. Just remove the parts. Oops, nalaglag. Yan. Lagay natin itong Super Saiyan 3. Plug and play lang siya mga aport. And there you go. Vegeta in his Super Saiyan 3 form. So yan mga aport, medyo mabigat yung kanyang buhok. Kaya talaga meron pala nito. So lalagay nyo lang siya sa likod. Napakadali lang naman. Itutukod nyo lang siya ganyan. Actually, medyo kaya niyan tumayo. Pero para safe, sigurado tataw to. Pag tumagal-tagal, maglilin backward siya. Kaya kailangan nyo talagang ilagay itong support. So ayan, Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta. Wow, this is definitely the standout features of the figure. Once assembled, yeah, this looks incredible. The long flowing hair really adds a lot of presence. Even though this is a mini style figure, the face sculpt here is also different, more intense, more aggressive, and it fits the Super Saiyan 3 transformation perfectly. Honestly, this is probably the main reason people will want this figure. Let's talk about the overall quality. For a mini Masterlize figure, this is impressive. The sculpting is sharp, the proportions are stylized but still faithful, the paint application is clean and consistent, the figure feels sturdy, and the parts fit together well. Also, the e-moving aspect, while subtle, it adds a bit of dynamic energy into the pose. Let's break it down. Pros and cons. Pros, great sculpt and detail for a prize figure. Meron kang dalawang option sa pag-display, Super Saiyan 3 or Super Saiyan 2. Meron din siyang strong character expression and excellent value for a collector. Cons, limited articulation. It's a static figure mga aport. Para sa iba, maybe mga aport, sa tingin nila is oversized itong Super Saiyan 3 hair. Hindi siya ganun ka-detailed gaya ng ibang high-end figures, pero expected na yung mga aport. Price figure lang to. Kulang siya sa mga shadings. So, final thoughts. This is a fantastic Ichiban Kuji prize. If you are a fan of Vegeta or ng Dragon Ball Daima, this is definitely worth picking up. Especially kung meron kang Vegeta Shrine, kailangan meron ka nito. Sigurado ako, kapag meron ka nito, mapapaisip ka, baka kailangan mo pang bumili ng isa pa para meron kang display ng Super Saiyan 2 at Super Saiyan 3. Isa pang kagandahan sa figure na to, yung ability to switch between Super Saiyan 2 and Super Saiyan 3, it adds value. And the overall quality is solid for the price point. Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo sa figure na to? Paki-comment naman dyan sa baba. Meron ka na ba nito? O nagpaplano ka bang kumuha nito? At sana'y nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo guys kung iniisip nyong idagdag ang figure na to sa inyong collection. And once again, this is Ichiban Kuji Dragon Ball Daima 2 Prize C figure, Super Saiyan 2 and Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta Masterlize E-Moving. Inirelease siya noong March 14, 2025. Manufacturer niya is Bandai at ang kanyang line is Ichiban Kuji. Meron siyang size na 11 cm at ang materials na ginamit sa kanya ay PVC. And that's our vlog for today. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button. Click mo na rin ang notification bell at i-follow mo ako sa aking Facebook page para updated ka sa mga bago nating video. Kaya paano pa nga ba? See you again sa susunod nating video.